When your kid's struggling with motor delays or challenges, I know how frustrating that can be. I also know that we have parents that report to us great improvements through movement-based therapies like PT, but they often get to a stuck point or a plateau. And once we address this missing link I wish I would have known about long ago for my own son, they can skyrocket again. Look, in the first 7 years of practice, I didn't understand that the nervous system controlled the motor system. I didn't understand how to measure it, how to look for it, or how to take care of those kids that came in with the motor delays. And to really realize that the core and the extremities might have low tone and discoordination, but it's that motor system that comes after the neuro system, and the neurospinal system in this head or neck is not evaluated by a pediatric PT or pediatric therapist, or nor do they know how to address the cause, which we call a subluxation, stress that's been stuck there, typically from the birth process. So intervention, forceps, C-section. And folks, yes, I had a home birth. He came really quickly, and I didn't realize that that was a stressor to his little head and neck. So he started to experience motor delays. And when I realized if you start missing out on motor delays, it starts causing other either emotional distress, sensory challenges, sleep struggles, and also for him, speech delays. So my head was spinning with what am I going to do about researching this? What therapies am I going to take him to? How many specialists do I want evaluating him? Because just like you, I wanted the best for my son. So while I can't take back the first 7 years of practice, these last 8 years of practice have been the best of my life because I have a heart for you. Moms and dads, I know the stress, I know the worry, I know the concern, I know the time consumption that it takes when your little one is struggling. And then I also know the bright side, the wonderful side, when your child is reaching those motor milestones, when we can make sure that they are reaching them in a progress that they need to have to start to change the way that they're able to have neuromotor control and the way that they even see themselves and their just life expression to the world. So if you think your little one's struggling with motor delays, or you're already in it, or they're not crawling, they're not rolling over, they're not walking, or they're just discoordinated and the speech is off, I want you to bring them in for a neuro insight scan. I didn't have this information the first 7 years, but these last 8, we have been able to get expertise in that level to look at just exactly how the neuromotor system is affecting the rest of the body and how we can help your child thrive.